Yo, what is going on YouTube? This is Technicallytee here, and today we are bringing you a phone unboxing that's a little different for my channel. Now, so far I usually review only flagship phones, but that's not what I was going for when I made this channel. I didn't only want to review flagship phones. So I was in Best Buy, just walking around, went in there to check the S9 Plus out a little bit before I got my hands on mine, and I ran across this Huawei Mate SE. Now, I haven't seen any reviews on it. I haven't read much about it, but for me just playing with it in the store and for me wanting the Huawei Mate 10 Pro, I think that's the name. Like I said, I'm kind of new to this Huawei game, but the build quality felt really good with this Huawei Mate SE. And then I saw the price range and it was on sale at Best Buy for 230 bucks. So I had to just pick it up. Once again, we know these flagship phones are getting extremely expensive, so I personally want to see what we can get out of a device that costs less than 250 bucks. If you're somebody out there who can't afford to get a flagship phone, I know it's probably many people because they are very expensive. Let's see what the Mate SE has in store. I'm hearing good things about it. It has very good build quality. The specs are on point for the price that you get. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Now, this is the box. Now, I'm not sure. I've never had a Huawei phone, so this is a very minimalistic box. So let's go ahead and get my knife here. And if anybody's watching the channel and you make any type of knives or anything, let me know, man. This is my bootleg unboxing knife. I would love to get something that's official, maybe with my YouTube name engraved in it or something. Let me know. I mean, I'll pay for it. You don't even got to send it to me, but that's just if anybody is out there watching the channel that does those type of things, man, let me know. I'm very actually interested in getting an unboxing knife, like an official unboxing knife. So here is the actual device itself. Let's go ahead and put that to the side. Let's see what we get inside of the box. And as you see, you do get your SIM ejection tool. Now, we will need that coming up. We're going to leave that there for right this minute. Let's grab all the stuff out of here. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I think Huawei, okay, they always come with a clear silicone type case. So that's pretty good to already come with a case. I know a lot of these phones, the case manufacturers don't really make a lot of cases for them. So this is pretty cool. I may pop this on and use it, or I may decide to run it naked. But I do want to keep it in very, very nice condition because you never know. I might be giving this phone away on the channel after I finish my review period of it. So stay tuned for sure. And also inside the box, you do get your fast wireless charging. I hope it's fast wireless charging. If we can look there, if the camera can focus, it is. Not see if I see any power ratings on it. Okay, so we got 10 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz, 0.5 amps. So there is our charger there. And also we get our USB-A to micro USB. So no USB type C or anything like that. It's actually to micro USB. But once again, the whole theme of this video is to keep in mind this is a phone that's under 250 bucks. So putting that to the side, let's take a look at the main thing at hand here, guys. And here is the actual phone itself. Now, like I said, the build quality of this phone is absolutely beautiful. I ran the Best Buy, and the only one that they had in stock was the gold, so I really wasn't tripping about getting it. The gold actually looks very good, so I said, let me go ahead and grab a gold since this is the only thing that is in stock. So let's go ahead and peel this off so we can get a look around the actual phone itself. So we have it there, and okay, that's it. That's most of the plastic. We do have a little piece of plastic down here, but we're not going to bother with it. But taking a look at the device feels good, guys. It actually feels just like an iPhone 7 Plus, iPhone 8 Plus. Also looks just like one when it's talking about the camera sensors there. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this is a 12 megapixel camera. As you see, it does have two lenses. You do get your fingerprint scanner that's right there in the back, and I'm really loving that placement. On the front, I'm not sure the actual megapixel count. Like I said, I'm not going to get into spec driven because I'm sure you guys have seen the videos of this device. In a later device, when I get my first impressions going on, I will run through all of the specs and everything like that you guys want to hear. But it also, I know it records 1080p in the back, and I know it also records 720p up front. So got some Huawei branding here on the side, power button right here, volume up and down, and you got your SIM tray on the left side. So let's go ahead and see if it has any power. And so here it is. So I'm actually very pumped. I know a lot of people may think, oh, I'm not going to review this good because I have the S9 coming and all that's going to take its coverage, but that's not the case. I have a few lines. I'm going to throw this on one line, carry this with me every day, and also carry the S9 Plus with me every day. Put the iPhone 10 aside and actually give a really good comparison of both of these phones and maybe see how they stack up from a phone that's almost near 900 to $1,000 to a phone that's under 250 bucks. So I'm probably not even going to pause the video right now. We're actually just going to probably end the video. I'm going to throw my information in this phone. I'm going to go ahead and set it up, use it probably as my secondary device, see how it performs, do some camera tests, do some video tests. We're going to try to really get in deep with this phone because I want my viewers to have an option and you don't have to feel like you have to go out here and spend almost $1,000 on a flagship. So once again, guys, this is the Huawei Mate SE. I'm going to pop a SIM card. I actually have my SIM card already ready. My SIM card is over here. I'm going to literally pop my AT&T SIM card since this is an unlocked device. I'm going to pop my AT&T SIM card in here, use it as my secondary device, and I'm going to be pumping videos out of this phone, guys. We're going to do camera tests. We're going to do video tests. We're going to do battery tests. We're going to do comparisons between the iPhone 10, maybe compare between the Note 8 and the S9 Plus. That's all the phones I have right now. We're going to get into it. But if there's anything in particular that you guys want to see on this device, let me know in the comment section below, guys, because I really want to approach this device at a different level. So as always, guys, Huawei Mate SE. Budget phone. Is this the budget phone of the year? Do you guys want to see more budget phones on my channel? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe if you haven't, guys. And I will catch you next time. Later.